To install the MegaLine Connect45 cable connector, you will need a cable, the cable connector, the required jack module, a suitable stripper, insulating tape, a side cutter, and the MegaLine Connect45 parallel pliers. Firstly, use the stripper to strip back the outer sheath by about 40 mm. Push back the copper braid. Secure everything with a single layer of insulating tape. Remove the foil shield to a depth of 5 mm. Make sure that the remaining foil encloses the pair of wires tightly. Cross over the two pairs of wires. The blue and orange pair of wires should be crossed on one side of the cable and the brown and green pair on the other side. Now open the wire pair and flatten the individual wires. For easier assembling, cut two pairs by approximately 1 cm. Insert the wires into the wire manager. Note the position of the colored wires and the corresponding white wires. Push back the wire manager as far as the cable jacket. Press the cable connector together by pressing the parallel pliers together as far as possible. In the same work step, the individual wires are automatically shortened until they are flush. Then complete the cable connector by mounting the required jack module. Alternatively, you can use the insertion tool if the cable has to be installed after assembly.